What pisses you off the most? If you could create the perfect ideal partner, how would he be? What is one thing you dislike about what women do to men that is unfair? What is your name and age?
My name is Karina and I'm 29.
You look so pretty. I love your hair. You're welcome. Okay, for the first question, what pisses you off the most?
First, it pissed me off when someone was trying to, insult me in front of other people or trying to correct me. Like, okay, you can tell me in private, but sometimes, like some all of my colleagues before at work, they try to insult me in front of other people. So it pissed me off. Number one.
What is your name and age?
Hi, my name is Marilyn po, 25 years old.
25. You look so cute. She has a baby face actually. Okay, so here's the question. What pisses you off the most?
Number one, those who chew loudly. The second one is slow walkers. The third one, I must say, uh, those who play the victim card always. So, that's it.
Okay. Why do you hate someone who walks slowly?
I don't know. It's just my pet peeve. I don't know the exact reason. I just don't like it.
Okay. What is your name and age?
I'm Sarah and I'm 24 years old.
Okay, 24. Okay, Sarah, what pisses you off the most?
What pisses me off the most are those people who thinks they are smart enough to degrade other people.
Wow. Do you know a lot of people like that?
Well, a lot actually. So, as a student leader, I've been meeting a lot of people who's like that. So, that's the reason why I'm always pissed off, and people think I'm attitude because it shows on my face.
What is your name and age?
Maria Christine po. I'm 21 po.
Okay. Like Christine, what pisses you off the most?
My family.
Correct you in a way that it's like insulting you like that?
Yeah. Like, for example, I was doing a nails and then she told me that you've been doing that for 1 hour. It's supposed to be like 30 minutes. So I'm a newbie. So what do you expect, right? So yeah.
Okay. How about if it's something that you really made a mistake and then someone corrected you? Are you still gonna get pissed?
Well, no, I would appreciate that. That is one of the nice and good things. Like you have to correct me if I'm wrong. So it's okay.
Okay. Okay. If you could create the perfect ideal partner, how would he be?
Well, for me, it's very simple. Caring, responsible, and like he can spend time with me.
If you could create the perfect ideal partner, how would he be?
He's my partner, and I think his ideal. I don't need to create one. He's already perfect.
Okay. May we know like how he is like that?
Um, every time I'm uncomfy about something, he tried to, adjust and change that. Hmm?
Okay, let's go. Let's Okay, tingin ka ba? Sige, magkapa niyo. Okay. How about you? Okay. Okay, sorry. What pisses you off the most?
What pieces? Wala di ako ready.
It's okay.
What pieces me the most? Actually, when someone talks so loudly in a not so loud place, like let's say library, like that. Uh yeah, that's it.
What do you call those kind of people? Like.
Chismosas.
Oh my goodness. If you could create the perfect ideal partner, how would he be?
I think the perfect ideal partner for me would be someone who can feel my vibe. Like someone who which I don't need to tell him what I feel. So he can sense my vibe if I'm sad, I'm angry. Yeah.
I guess that's the most important for me. Someone who knows me deep within.
Okay. Okay. Do you think there's still someone like that?
As of the moment, I can say I haven't met someone like that yet, but maybe someday I hope so. I can meet someone.
If you could create the perfect ideal partner, how would he be?
For me, I want kindness and smart, caring.
Kind, smart, and caring. What is one thing you dislike about what women do to men that is unfair?
Well, asking money. Yeah, asking money. Number one.
Do you know a lot of women who's asking money to, to men?
Yes, a lot, but I don't want to name.
Who are these women? Like partner of this man, friends?
Part of these men, like my friends, but it's actually not my friend, but the friends of my partner. Oh my god.
Don't worry. Okay. So, what do you mean by that? Like, is it really a like a not good thing to ask money to your partner or what?
Because the money she was asking was for luxury. I mean, for her own, like, what can I say?
Like he what she wants, not really like what she needs.
Yes, yes, exactly.
What is one thing you dislike about what women do to men that is unfair?
Okay. They expect men to do to do things for them, but they do not do it. Um Also, I mean, if you wanna expect or you want your boyfriend to do something, at least do it also. Para the reciprocity is there. Okay. That's it.
What is one thing you dislike about what women do to men that is unfair?
Um, I don't have anything in mind, but I guess based on observation, it would be um, making men feel that if you're a woman, you should be, you should always be considered, or your feelings should always be considered.
What do you mean by that?
Like for example, in an argument or in a discussion, there should be women should be more considered to have more opinion, like that, other than men. So there are instances that it happens.
And you think that's unfair for men?
Yeah, that would be unfair for men because I believe that men can have their own opinions and should be more vocal about how they feel or about their opinions as well, just like women.
So you're 29 years old, so that means you're working already, right?
Yes, I'm working already.
May we know what's your job?
My first job
Your job right now.
right now, it was in Magsaysay. I'm static, like doing eyelash, nails. Yeah.
I should visit that place. I love nails. I do. I love doing my nails and everything. Okay. So that explains why you look so pretty. Like you take care of yourself.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm very impressed. You're very smart. I really like that. What is your course?
I'm a computer engineering student.
Okay. Are you single or do you have like a boyfriend?
I'm
I mean, yeah, of course. You said earlier that you haven't met someone who is, who could sense how you feel, what you feel like that. But anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. What is your course, Christine, before we end this interview?
Bachelor in Science and Entrepreneurship.
Okay, very shy. Very shy. Well, anyway, thank you so much, babe. Thank you.
Beautiful reflection